right. We always save the best for last, guys. We're going to do dividing radicals. And it can get a little tricky, but nothing that we cannot handle, okay? So I have an example up here that you want to treat the outside and the inside numbers separately, okay? The main rule here is to never have a radical on the bottom. That's your job. So you try everything until you can not get a radical on the bottom, and then I'll show you, if you do, the process that goes to get rid of the radical, all right? So the first thing you need to do is you could simplify outside numbers and the inside numbers, as long as they're under the radical. So in the example I gave up here, you'll notice that 6 went into 18 3 times, okay? And since 24 and 3 were both under the radical, we are going to take 3 goes into 24 8 times. So one good thing we have with this problem is we have no radical on the bottom. However, you could simplify 8, so we broke it down, as you can see, 4 and 2. We've been doing that a lot, okay? So let's take a look at these first 4 examples. Again, we're going to try to simplify them first. So if you'll notice, we have a 3 on the outside. Now 2 goes into 6 3 times. Again, the reason I was able to do that is because they were both under the radical. That is the key. And now we're done because nothing goes into 3. All right? Next, you're going to take number 2, and there's kind of an invisible 1 there, if you want to put it there to help you out. It's not necessary. So we'll notice that 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4, right? So the 3's gone because it went into the 12. And then you have a 2 on the bottom. All right. Now we know that the square root of 4 is what, guys? 2. So 2 over 2 would just equal 1. Okay? Number 3 I'm going to handle a little bit differently, because number 3 you'll notice that 4 and 25 are both perfect squares. So if I do the square root of 4 is 2, so that's going to come out, and we'll multiply it with the 2, so that'll be my numerator. And 25 is perfect, right? So that comes out as a 5. All right, and then just multiply your top numerator and denominator, and you're going to get 4 over 15. Okay? No radical on the bottom. Actually, no radicals at all. All right, now our last one. Let's simplify. Well, 2 and 50, even numbers, so we could take half, right? So that would be the square root of 1 if you wanted to think about it that way, which is just 1. Okay? But 2 went into 50 25 times. Oh, I like that, because I know 25 is perfect, right? 4 times radical 1 is your numerator, is just going to be 4, right, guys? Square root of 25 is 5. And we are done. Okay? All right, so that is going to be part 1. And next I'm going to talk about rationalizing the denominator. And that's going to be on the next video, okay? And then you can try some on your own.